In perfumery, we classify fragrances by olfactive families according to their main notes. These are the most important ones. Everybody's familiar with lemon, orange, or grapefruit, but there are lesser known ones, which are very interesting. Bergamot, for example, is a sort of small Mediterranean lemon with a bitter twist. I love using it to create light and clean fragrances, like CH Low. Carolina Herrera is all about flowers, so we use many floral notes in our fragrances. I cannot think of a feminine fragrance without jasmine, which is the smell that evokes my childhood in Caracas. That was the origin of the first Carolina Herrera perfume in 1988. Aromatic fragrances are usually for men. They remind me of the classical colognes with lavender and oak moss, which smell like forests and wild nature. A good example is 212 VIP Men. Chypres are a classic among the classics. Many landmarks of perfumery, like CH, are Chypres, which is a very special blend of ingredients such as oak moss, bergamot, or patchouli, one of my favorites. It's utterly elegant. Many fragrances for men are based on cedarwood and sandalwood, which are intense and persistent scents. But woods can also be luminous, like the vetiver in Vetiver Paradise from the Herrera Confidential collection. Working with leather can be challenging, as it's difficult to extract its essence directly. We recreate it through other ingredients that smell in a similar way. It's pure magic and a very creative process. Platinum leather from the Herrera Confidential collection is the perfect example of an unexpected leather. Incense, spices, and sweet accords are the key to Oriental fragrances. They remind me of trips to Asia or the Middle East. A modern version of this olfactive family can be found in Good Girl and Bad Boy, our boldest fragrances.